If you want to change app languages on a Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we need to scroll all the way down and we want to go to system and update. After that you should be able to find app languages, and over here you can choose the language, the default language for selected app. Unfortunately this list is quite short, so if you are looking for the option to change the language of your app and the app is not listed over here, then you can either try to find the language setting in the app itself, or you can try to change the system language, because most of the time also apps are synchronized with the system language, the language that we have on our phone. Nevertheless, if you actually manage to find your app over here, then you can select the app and you should be able to find the list of supported languages, so you can choose whichever language you want to use for the selected app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.